Hello guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to DIY a 12 by 12 by 8 inches cake box because some of my viewers have requested this in my previously uploaded video. But before I start, please do a favor. Please like and share this video so it can reach many people that might be looking for this kind of tutorial and also for me to be inspired to make more tutorial videos to help others. And to start, this is the board material I'm going to use. This is a laminated board and its dimension is 31 inches in this side and the long side is 43 inches. The maximum size of a box that can be made out of this material is 12 by 12 by 8 inches, like this box. And now to start, flatten the height of the box by marking it on the material. And the height of the box I'm going to make now is 8 inches. So from this corner, count 8 inches toward this direction. Then, the length of the box, which is in this tutorial, it is 12 inches. So from this point, count 12 inches. Next is the height again, which is 8 inches. Guys, my ruler is shorter than the length of the material, so I'll have to do the same measurements in the middle part so I can connect it from top to bottom. Also, the same measurement here. This is the top part of the material. After plotting the correct measurements on the material, connect all the markings by forming a line from top to bottom. Next is on the long side of the board. I also have to flatten it on the material wherein the measurement should be 8 inches, which is the height, then 12 inches, which is the width. Next is 8 inches, which is the back side of the box. And then 12 inches again, which is the top cover. And the last is 1.5 inches, which is the flip side in the cover. Then do the same measurements on the other part. After getting all the measurements, connect all the markings by forming a line again. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you all the boxes that you can see on the board material. This portion is the flip of the cover and this is the top cover. This is where you can put the window. Then this portion is the back side of the box. This one is the base and this one is the front side. And the sides are the left and right side of the box. And now guys, I'm going to show you how to make this portion, which is the lock on the side of the box. In this side, get the center and mark it down. Do the same here. Then on this horizontal side, get also the center. Once you get the center, draw a line going up and then another one line connect to the corner like this one. Do the same here, exactly the same what you did on the right side. Once you're done on the lower part, the same procedure should be done here, but this time it should be facing down. And that is for this portion. The same procedure, guys. Get the center, draw a line connecting to the corner, and draw a line downward. The same thing to do on the left side of the material. Next is I am going to show you how to make a cut on the side like this, how long it should be, and how to make it exactly fit and proportioned to the inserts in order to lock the sides properly. And I'm going to make that cut here. And to start, double check the measurement of this. This is 8 inches, so in the center or from this point, count 8 inches going up, and that is until here. It means that this part can be inserted here fully, or the tip part of this one will be until here. And then you can add at least 1/4 inch to have an allowance. So from this point, it should be 8 1/4 inches. Next is this one. This is 8 inches. So from this point, we have to count 8 inches and 1/4 going down. So now guys, these two markings should be connected. Just draw a line so we can cut it later. Another thing guys, make sure that this line or this cut should be bigger than this portion. This is 4 inches. So the cut that you're going to make here should be 4 and at least 1/4 inches or 1/2. And you have to do the same like this on the other side of the board. And then beside this top cover, we will make an insert also like this. And I will show you also how to get this distance. And in this material, that portion is this one, wherein the distance should be the same to this one. This is 4 inches. So we also have to measure from this point, measure 4 inches and mark it. And also do the same here on the top part. And then I will show you also how to get the distance of this portion. That distance, guys, should be based from this distance. So from this line, we have to count 4 1/4 inches going up. Then, draw a line going to the corner on the left and also going to the corner on the right side. Then, the distance here should be the same also to this distance. And that is also 4 1/4 inches. So from this line, we have to count going down 4 1/4 inches and then draw a line from the corner up to the other side of the material. Then do the same here. Then if you want to put a window, you can put the window here. A window can be an added decoration on the box. And if this is a delivery box, window can also help you check if the cake inside is still in place. So window also is important. You can also add a window in front of the box. So one on the top cover and also one in front. You can put 2 windows because this is a big box. And the size of the window is up to you. So you can put a small window or the big one. Then in the middle part of the flip of the cover, you can put 2 holes so you can insert the ribbon to lock the box. And to make a curve on the flip cover like this, I'm using a protractor. Remove the extra portions that are not needed. Then shape it out according to your layout by cutting it with the use of metal ruler and also a sharp cutter. You can also use a small scissor and make sure that the scissor is also sharp and it has a very sharp tip so you can cut properly all the edges and corners. And then you have to make a curve here like the one I'm doing here so that it's easy for you to insert this on the side of the box. For the 2 holes on the flip of the cover, I'm using a puncher, the small puncher. Then we have to score. This will be a guide for us to easily fold the box. And in doing this, guys, you have to make sure that you are scoring exactly on the line. Otherwise, your box will be unproportioned. In making another hole on front of the box, I'm using the holes on the flip of the cover as a guide. Next, we have to do the window cover. I'm using a plastic cover, the ordinary plastic cover that we can buy that is being used for covering the books or notebooks. That's the only one I'm using. And then I'm also using the double-sided tape. Okay guys, now here's the output. So this is a 12 by 12 by 8 inches cake box, or you can use it as a delivery box of your product. To lock the box, I'm using a ribbon as an added decoration in outside part of the box. Okay guys, you can have a look on every side of the box. Guys, please share and like this video and also comment down from which country you are watching. I hope you like this video and you learned from this tutorial. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.